Imagine earning lakhs every month from YouTube without ever showing your face. That's exactly what happened to me. And the secret? AI. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I used AI to turn a faceless health channel into a passive income goldmine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today I'm breaking down how I built a successful health channel using only AI tools. No camera, ending and editing. No mic, no editing skills needed. Channel setup. Using AI. Picked a health niche with high RPM, sleep tips, diet hacks, mental health. Used ChatGPT to research niche ideas and script videos. Created a content calendar with consistent upload strategy. AI tools I used. ChatGPT for video scripts. ElevenLabs for realistic AI. Voiceover Pictory. In video, FlexClip for editing faceless videos. Canva for thumbnails. Keyword Tool.io, VidIQ for SEO optimization. Uploading strategy, consistent uploads, 3 to 4 times a week, SEO titles, plus compelling thumbnails, added value-packed descriptions, plus tags, made use of YouTube Shorts to boost views. Monetization. AdSense revenue crossed. Rs 10. Lakhs in under a year. Affiliate marketing. e.g. health supplements. Sponsored deals from fitness and wellness brands. Mistakes and lessons. Don't rely on only one AI tool. Combine them smartly. Quality. Quantity track analytics and tweak based on audience behavior. If you're thinking about starting your own faceless channel, now is the best time. AI is your silent partner. Start today, stay consistent, and let the automation do the magic. If you found this helpful, hit like, comment, AI Goldmine, and subscribe for more content like this.